and welcome back for another tips and tricks video brought to you by AppsEvents and Acer. And in today's video, we are going to take a look at some of the latest updates to Google Docs. These updates which will allow you to be more productive and better customize your experience. So let's take a look first at the new updates to Google's Smart Canvas. Now, Smart Canvas was first released in June with a very limited smart tagging system, which has recently been expanded to a more universal menu. It still starts in the exact same way. On any blank Google Doc or an active doc you're working in, you just type @. And now you can see we still have people come up first that you can search through and tag people into the system. We still, if you scroll through this list, you can still see dates and add dates and calendar events. You can also see your calendar events separately and tag them in here. And of course, you can type the name of a document and it will search through your drive and link it in here directly without you having to search for it separately. Now, all of these basics are still there from the Smart Tag system, but as you can see, this universal menu has been expanded greatly. So now they've pulled a lot of the standard formatting, media insertion, page components into this menu, so you can find it all from your keyboard rather than having to search through your menu bar. And this is great. I can start and just add a checklist, and it's here and it's good to go. And I can type whatever I need to, and when it's done, cross it off. If I want to add an image, same thing, add image. It'll pop up under media. It will give me the additional options, like I can add it from my drive, and then it will open that image option off to the side, just like you would see if you normally went through your menu bar. So it makes it much easier to just type the @ symbol and type what you're looking for. Like, I want to change my text into a heading, and now you can see it's made it bigger. If I change to a different heading style, it's a little bit smaller, so I can make those changes as I'm typing in line with my work without having to stop my productivity. I can also add some new templates. So you can see here it's got building blocks for your meeting notes. And what will happen if I click this is it searches my calendar for any meeting invites I have. But you go ahead, you click this, and it automatically creates this notes template and prompts you to share these meeting notes. And it will automatically link this document on that calendar event. You'll also see it's got all of the calendar invite information along with a link to that calendar invite. Also giving me the names of my participants, so I have all of that contact information. And it's given me pre-made bulleted list and checklist to help me manage upcoming events and things I need to do as a result of our meeting. So this is a great building block, a meeting template that you can use, and is one that is very, very useful. Now, the universal menu is not the only recent update to come to Google Docs. One of the other recent updates is the ability to add a watermark to your docs. And this one is really easy. You can find it in two places. One, you can find it in your universal menu. Two, you can find it by going to Insert. So Insert, and then you can select your image. It can be an image from your drive, or it can be an image you upload from your computer. And now, for example, say you're using this for something like IEPs, you might want a confidential background. If you have a marketing department at your school, they can add this in the background for marketing purposes and to make sure that all the branding is there consistently across every single page of the document. You can change the scale, so maybe your logo is really big and you need it smaller, or it's really small and you need it bigger. If for some reason you want it to be really bold and bright, you can take away the fade, but it will add that in there. When you click done, it will show up on every single page. And because this is now a watermark feature in Google Docs, If you are uploading and converting any of your old Microsoft Word documents, it will now preserve the watermark from there as well. So 2 really quick tricks that will help you be more productive. The universal menu is a great way to quickly find the tools you need without having to hunt through menu bars. And our new watermark ability adds more customization and standardization. So we look back to see you next time for more tricks, and we hope you give these a try in the meantime.